Outdoor furniture looking less than inviting? Messy weather can leave its mark, so follow along as we show you simple ways to freshen up your furniture. Here's how. All it takes to get started is a few essentials. First step, remove any pillows and cushions, but maybe not all at once. Then move your furniture to a separate area with a hard surface so you can avoid any mud or grass stains. Next up, mixing dishwashing liquid with warm water is an effective way to make it shine. Wicker furniture is easy to love because it's stylish, versatile, durable, and also extremely simple to clean. Now you can wash it all off. Just gently towel off any excess water and let it air dry in the sun. If your outdoor rugs are looking dingy, you can give them a pressure wash to brighten them up. Once the rug feels dry, flip it over to dry the other side. Move on to the cushions. Scrub the entire area, creating a generous lather. Next, wash away all the cleaning solution. Press out the moisture and lean them against a sunny wall to dry. While you're waiting, you can pick up a new hobby. Everything is now fresh and fabulous. And you can keep it that way with a weather-resistant cover. The hard work is done, so kick back, relax, and bask in the great outdoors. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.